Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Golang for Absolute Beginner course. And in this tutorial, we will learn about pointers. So first of all, I am creating a file, Go file, which will be known as pointer.go, right? And in this file, I am creating a package, right? And importing fmt module and writing a main function. So first of all, what is pointer? A pointer is used to access a value in a memory location. For example, I have variable a, right? Variable a add location 555. Then I want to get the address of this variable, right? So how I can do that? Pointer is very old concept. Pointer mainly used in C and C++ language because we mostly work with hardwares and memory management in C and C++, but Golang also support pointers while JavaScript doesn't support pointers, right? So how can I get address of certain memory location? We can get the value of certain memory address location by using pointer, right? So for example, I am creating a variable a of integer type with a45, right? Currently a store 45 value, right? So I am creating another variable of integer type and storing the address of a, right? So this is the syntax of pointer. The end syntax before a is the address, right? And this indicates that b is an pointer. B points to the value of a, and we have address of a, right? So this is something like pass by reference. When we change the value of a, this will change the value of b because b points to a, right? So this is the basic use of pointer. Now I am changing the value of a. So let's see what will be the output. I am printing the value of a and the value of b. I have used this asterisk keyword. This indicates that get the value which it pointed to. Suppose I have for example, I have created a variable a of integer 45. Then I have created a var b which points to the memory location of a. Then I change the value of 25 and then I have print a and b value, right? So let's see the output of this program. This is the very basic example of pointers. So go run pointer.go. As you can see, it prints out 25 and 25 because b points to the memory address of a, and if a have some memory address of 555, we get that value, we get that address in b, we get that address of a and created a separate variable b. Then we change the value of a, then this will impact the value of b, right? Because b points to a. This is something which is known in, this is a concept which is known as pass by reference. When we change a value of a variable, then this will impact the value which pointed to it, right? So suppose we in this example we change the value of a, then it impact the value of b because b was pointed to a, right? So this is the syntax of pointer. In Golang we use AND keyword, right? to get the address, and we need to add an asterisk when we initialize that pointer, right? Then if we want to get the value of that pointer, we actually write asterisk before that variable. This will get the value of that pointer, right? So this is very basic example of pointer. Pointer is a very old concept but very compulsory concept when it comes to garbage collection or something like that. Golang is actually garbage collected language. It doesn't need pointer, but Golang is very advanced language, and we can work with hardwares in Golang, which is a plus point of Go, right? And build system and like different type, like Docker, a very famous tool, is written in Go, right? So the build system, build time and build system of Go is very fast. That's why most of the programs like Go and different types of program like Uni, these all are written in Go programming language. So that's all about pointer. I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. So before jumping to our next tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.